Alright, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to show you my new project that I picked up. So I sold my 240SX about a year ago, and I've been looking for another drift car for a while now. This one popped up on Facebook Marketplace for a really good price, and I had to go get it. I'll tell you guys in a minute. There was a reason it was so cheap, and I didn't know that until I drove it for the first time. I ended up towing it home because the car needed real wheel bearing. It needed some work. It wasn't really street ready to be driven yet. So after I towed it home and took it for its first drive, found out that the second gear was blowing out of it. So I'll put a little clip in right now. I actually already pulled the transmission out of it and rebuilt it. It only cost me 200 bucks. So it's just a couple synchros, blocker rings, and I learned a lot throughout the process, and luckily it was a cheap fix. So the guy, I guess, tried to fuck me, and I fixed it real cheap. So now I'm into this car for about half of what it's worth. Thing's really clean. A lot of these E36s, especially in New England, rot out all where the jack points are underneath the rockers here, and they like to rot out behind these side skirts. This thing's actually super clean underneath. In the spare tire area, they always rot out under there too. So yeah, so the car's in really good shape. It needs some cosmetic work. I have the interior door panels off because they were falling apart. I'll probably just get the Condor Speed Shop door cards. I already put my Villante steering wheel in it. So the steering wheel with the quick release. So I saved this for my 240 because I knew I was going to get another car. But yeah, whoever did the headliner in it looks queer. I did not do that, just so you guys know. I don't like that at all, but I'll probably end up redoing it. So I'll show you a little bit under the hood. One thing it does need is a hood latch cable, just because it's sitting. It's just, you got to open it with this wire here. Yeah, so whoever did the swap did it legit. Has all CX Racing mounts, full CX Racing exhaust, all 3-inch V-band. The transmission's a T56 out of an F-body Camaro. It's a 6-speed. The only issue I am having with it, though, is it seems to be running really rich. I know the coil packs are all rusted and kind of swollen, so I ordered new coil packs. I'm actually put those in right now. I figured I would start this video, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Already has headers on it. It's got a wiring specialties harness, which is about $1,000 bucks. So whoever did the swap, they didn't hack it all up. So I'm hoping the new coil packs fix the sputtering problem that I'm having. It seems to be burning a lot of excess fuel. I'm getting a lot of black smoke out the back, and then I notice whenever I'm at a cruising speed or idling for a while and I rev it, it blows black smoke like it's running really rich. Or if I'm just cruising for a while and it starts sputtering, it'll start smoking. So I'm like, it's definitely either one of these cylinders aren't firing, like meaning one of the coil packs are bad, or it's just something's wrong because it's not running to its full potential. I'm thinking maybe if it's not the coil packs, could be something like a stuck injector. I figured I'll start off with the coil packs. Like I said, these are all rusted out anyway, so it won't hurt to replace them. So I'm gonna get these new ones put in right now, and we'll take it for a ride, and hopefully that fixes the problem. So I'll get these coil packs zapped off. Once you just disconnect this main plug here, you just have to disconnect the spark plug wires and take out these two 10mm, and all 4 of these on each side come off. And I'll just get them all swapped out. I'll probably sand down the bracket and just put some paint on it because it's all rusty looking. All the brackets look nice and clean. The wires are a little bit short, but I made it work. Notice a huge difference with the throttle response. Just the way the car accelerates is way better. I'm guessing one of those coil packs were bad. Could have been one of the wires, but I did new wires too, so I'll do a little third gear pull. I'll go down to second. Oh yeah! Fucking rips, dude. So hey, this is a night and day difference from before. I would do a pull before and it would just be kind of laggy and be like, yeah, it's really not all there. When you get up in higher RPMs, it would feel like it's starting to pull, and now it's starting to pull down low. Feels good. So if you guys like this video, leave me a like. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. If you want to see more E36 videos, like I said, I plan on doing more stuff with this car, bringing it to some drift events and having some fun with it. So if that's what you want to see, leave it down in the comment section below, subscribe, and thanks for watching.